Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple progression you can do with rocking to allow yourself to discover more mobility and strength in your feet and your ankles. So I don't know if you've watched my strengthening your feet and ankles video of rocking in the past, but just in case, you can use rocking to add mobility to your feet based off of how you position your feet. So if you haven't seen that video, check that one out and this one will make more sense. This week I'm going to show you how to progress that and discover more strength in your feet and ankles, as I said before. And all you do is you elevate yourself and you still work those same foot positions. So you can work heels right over the toes, or you can work heels pointing to the outside, or you can work heels pointing to the inside. And depending on where you put your heels, you obviously place a different emphasis on your toes or your foot. So if I put my heels to the outside, I'm strengthening I'm opening the outside of my ankles and really mobilizing my smaller toes. But I'm also adding strength to them because I've significantly increased the load by elevating my body or my knees up off the floor. So again, I can go heels outside, I can go heels straight up over the foot, or I can go heels to the inside. And of course, you can also do this dorsiflexed, or getting on the balls of your feet, and you just rock back and forth. And again, if I want to work on the smaller toes, mobilize those, I put the ankles to the outside. And if I want to work the bigger toe, the captain of the toes, I just put my heels towards the inside. And if you do this for any length of time, well, you'll notice that you're not just strengthening your ankles because, well, really, there's a load throughout the entire body. But this is another way you can add a load to rocking to help encourage more strength and mobility out of your feet and your ankles. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.